In a landmark move to modernize its military capabilities and enhance its strategic defense posture, Colombia has announced the acquisition of 17 Saab Gripen E/F fighter jets from Sweden. This significant procurement marks one of the largest defense investments in the country's recent history and signals a pivotal shift in Colombia's air power capabilities. Analysts note that the acquisition not only strengthens Colombia's ability to defend its airspace but also positions the nation as a technologically advanced air power player within the Latin American region. The Saab Gripen E/F is a fourth-plus-generation multi-role fighter renowned for its versatility, high maneuverability, and cost-effective lifecycle maintenance. With advanced avionics, modern radar systems, electronic warfare suites, and sensor fusion capabilities, the Gripen E/F allows pilots to operate with exceptional situational awareness and precision. The aircraft is capable of performing a wide array of missions, including air superiority, precision strike, reconnaissance, and rapid response operations. For Colombia, which faces both conventional threats and asymmetric security challenges such as transnational crime and border incursions, the integration of the Gripen E/F provides a modern, flexible solution to a broad spectrum of operational demands. Colombian defense officials emphasized that the selection of the Swedish fighter jets was driven by a combination of operational efficiency, interoperability with existing defense assets, and cost-effectiveness over the aircraft's lifetime. This is not merely a procurement of fighter jets, it represents a strategic step toward modernizing our air defense infrastructure and ensuring that Colombia maintains a robust, technologically advanced, and responsive Air Force, said a senior official from the Ministry of Defense. The deal encompasses not only the aircraft themselves but also comprehensive pilot and technical crew training, simulator-based instruction, maintenance programs, and the establishment of infrastructure within Colombia to support long-term operations. Saab will collaborate closely with Colombian personnel to ensure seamless integration and operational readiness, signaling a partnership that goes beyond a conventional defense sale. Historically, Colombia's Air Force has relied on aging fleets, which, while effective in counterinsurgency and domestic security operations, faced limitations in high-intensity combat scenarios. The introduction of the Gripen E/F represents a paradigm shift, allowing the Air Force to operate with enhanced capabilities and advanced systems comparable to those of leading global air forces. Military analysts suggest that this modernization effort reflects Colombia's recognition of evolving regional security dynamics, including the need to counter potential air threats, maintain border security, and contribute meaningfully to multinational defense collaborations. The Gripen E/F is particularly suited to Colombia's operational needs due to its multi-role design, enabling a single platform to perform diverse missions. Equipped with modern radar and electronic warfare capabilities, the aircraft can detect and engage multiple targets simultaneously, provide real-time intelligence, and operate effectively in contested environments. Its cost-effective maintenance cycle and operational flexibility make it an attractive option for nations seeking high-performance aircraft without the extensive logistical demands of heavier, more complex fighter jets. Colombian pilots will undergo rigorous training programs both in Sweden and locally, ensuring that personnel are fully capable of exploiting the aircraft's full range of capabilities. In addition to operational benefits, the acquisition of the Gripen E/F has strategic implications for Colombia's role in the region. With enhanced air power, Colombia can strengthen its deterrence against potential threats and support regional stability through joint operations with allied nations. The aircraft's advanced communication and networking systems enable interoperability with other air forces, positioning Colombia to participate in multinational exercises, coordinated air patrols, and rapid response missions in times of crisis. Regional defense analysts note that the move sends a clear signal that Colombia is committed to modernizing its military forces and maintaining a credible defensive posture in a geopolitically dynamic environment. The delivery schedule for the Gripen E/F jets is set to begin within the next few years. As part of the integration process, Colombia will establish maintenance and support facilities, ensuring that the aircraft are operationally ready at all times. The deal also includes extensive training for both pilots and ground support crews, reflecting a holistic approach to military modernization rather than a simple acquisition of equipment. The presence of these advanced fighters is expected to transform Colombia's air strategy, enabling rapid deployment, enhanced reconnaissance, and precision engagement in both peacetime and conflict scenarios. Beyond the immediate tactical and strategic advantages, The acquisition of the Gripen E/F also contributes to Colombia's broader defense modernization agenda. Over the past decade, the country has invested in upgrading its military capabilities across all branches of the armed forces, focusing on modern technology, interoperability, and strategic partnerships with international defense companies. The Gripen E/F program fits into this larger vision, offering a technologically advanced platform that complements other modernization initiatives, including improved surveillance systems, intelligence capabilities, and logistics infrastructure. From a geopolitical perspective, Colombia's procurement of Swedish fighter jets represents a notable diversification of defense partnerships. While the country has historically relied on U.S. military assistance and older European equipment, the Gripen deal demonstrates Colombia's willingness to explore new international defense relationships. Analysts suggest that this diversification not only enhances Colombia's strategic independence but also provides access to cutting-edge technology and expertise that will be instrumental in maintaining a competitive air force in the coming decades. The strategic significance of the Gripen E/F acquisition extends beyond military capabilities. It reflects Colombia's ambitions to play a more prominent role in regional security and defense cooperation. By operating a fleet of modern, networked, and multi-role fighter jets, Colombia can better participate in joint exercises, multinational peacekeeping operations, and coordinated responses to emergent threats such as organized crime, narcotics trafficking, and illegal cross-border activities. The integration of these fighters enhances situational awareness, rapid response capacity, and deterrence potential, reinforcing Colombia's position as a key security actor in Latin America. Experts also note that the move may inspire neighboring countries to reevaluate their own air power modernization plans. Colombia's decision to invest in a fleet of advanced Gripen E/F fighters underscores the importance of maintaining a technologically capable air force in a region where air dominance can play a critical role in both defense and strategic influence. By acquiring a fleet of high-performance, cost-effective fighters, Colombia has set a benchmark for modern air power strategy in Latin America.